Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Right now all I'm doing is removing her previous set, which was also a video. I will leave that link down below in the description if you're interested, and everything I've linked to be linked to down below in the description. And this is going to be a simple, quick, easy, and fast fill, and this is a pen of 5-in-1 bit. The reason why I'm using it, and this is a fine grit by the way, the reason why I'm using it is just to get rid of her gel polish because there's not really much lifting, and if there is, this bit can handle it very well. Then I'm going to go in and prep like regular, and then it'll be time for the acrylic application. To give a massive thank you guys for 600 subscribers. Thank you guys so much. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. It all helps me out a lot. And right now all I'm doing is filling in her nails and just rebuilding them up. This is Chai from GZL Beauty, and I'm using JC Beauty Concepts monomer. After that's all dried, I'm going in and reshaping. This is Kiara Sky Small Barrel Fine Bit, and I'm going in around her cuticle area as well as blending in any acrylic to make sure her fresh acrylic and her old acrylic matches up very well, as well as going underneath her nail to get rid of any excess acrylic. I'm done buffing and filing. I'm going to go in with this white polish from Viva. She wanted a solid nail of white and then the rest French tip. So I'll be doing French tips in black as well as pink. The pink is from Glam and the black is from Creation. And this is a cleanup brush here and it's from CADS, and I get the liner brushes as well as the Creation gel polish and the Viva polish from Amazon. You can see I did a second coat, and now it's time for these stickers. So these Chanel stickers are from Bomb Nails. She gave them to me in like a free sticker type of thing like years ago at this point. And these heart stickers, I have no clue where they're from. But after this, I will go in with 2 cups of top coat, and then that will be the end. And I also have Blossom Cuticle Oil. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and ring the bell. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.